Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a Etsy video on how to create coupon codes for your Etsy shop. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to make an impactful online business, make sure that you subscribe today and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified of new videos. So let's go ahead and get started. So doing a coupon code is really cool because if you have a special promotion that you want to run, maybe it's Black Friday weekend, maybe it's Memorial weekend like now, or maybe you want to do a promotion because it's the end of the month and you want to, finish really strong. What you could do is a coupon code, and I love coupon codes because they're very unique. You can make them very personable by adding a special verbatim to them. So you could say Memorial Day weekend special, or you could say Black Friday special, or you could say thank you special, whatever you want to call it. But it's really cool because you could actually, instead of just saying 20% off, you could give it a name and you could actually add scarcity behind it. You could say this is only for the weekend, Memorial Day weekend special, or only for Black Friday. And that actually increases the likelihood of somebody buying versus if you say get 20% off today, which doesn't really build that scarcity because they probably think, oh, she's going to run another one next week. When you say this is only for Black Friday weekend and this is the code Black Friday special, then it creates that scarcity of let me just go ahead and buy this because I've been wanting to buy it. She's giving 40% off right now. Who knows when will be the next time I'll get that 40%, so let me go ahead and purchase. So that's why you want to use a coupon code. Now, on today's video, it's going to be very brief because it's very simple process. But this was a question that was asked to do a video on, so I am doing that today to showcase how to do it in case you want to go ahead and proceed with that. So the first thing you want to do is log in into your Etsy account. Once you log into your Etsy account, you want to head over to your dashboard and you want to click on marketing. And from there, you want to select sales and coupons and new offer, new special offer. When you go to new special offer, it's going to give you the option of run a sale, set up an offer, or create a coupon. So on this video, we are creating a coupon. So you're going to click on that one. Now, clicking a coupon is going to give you different options. You could do a percentage off, you could do a fixed amount off, and you could do free standard shipping. So you could also offer free shipping as a coupon special. Now, normally I do the percentage off, and in my other stores, that's what I usually stick with. But you could do whichever one works for you. So on this video, I'm going to stick with the percentage off, and I'm going to do 20%. Now, this option here is, do you want the 20% off to apply to any order? Do you need them to buy a certain amount of orders to qualify, or do you want them to spend a certain amount of money to get that 20%? Do you want them to spend $150 in order to get 20%? It's up to you. Now, I personally don't like to do that. I like to just leave it none, which means that whatever you buy from my store, you get 20% off. If you pick one of these two, then you're saying you got to spend X, Y, and Z. You got to spend this amount of money to get 20%, or you got to buy this amount of things to get 20%. So it's really up to you, but you will get more sales with the none. If you want to be more specific because you sell things that are very expensive, then yes, you want to put a restriction in there because you don't want to lose money. You want to make money. The object of Etsy is to make money and not start giving promotions just to give promotions. So just keep that in mind as well. So here, this one is really cool. I don't think a lot of people use this, but this is a really great way to retarget your existing customers. So whenever somebody buys from you, from your store, once you mark your order complete, you could have an automatic email sent out to them saying, you get 20% off your next purchase. That's a really great way to remarket to those people that already show interest in what they buy from you. They're happy with you and you provide a great customer service. So there's no need for them to say, why is she sending me this? They might go ahead and buy something else from your store. So I highly recommend using that coupon or using that technique to grow your sales and to get those people that already purchase from you, because those people will be easier to sell again. New customers are always harder, but people that already purchased from you, they already dealt with you, they loved your work, they loved your customer service, they're already trusting you, those are going to be easier to sell again. So by sending them an additional coupon to buy from you is a great way to increase your conversions. So just keep that in mind. It's something you might want to do in the future. If you do decide to do this, what you want to do is put today's date and you want to leave it at no end date. That way, every single time you make a sale, it goes automatically to those people. There's nothing else you got to do. You just leave it alone. It will do it on its own. If you do not want to do this and you want to proceed with just doing a coupon for a like Memorial Weekend right now or Black Friday, then don't check here. What you want to do is select the date. So let's say I'm going to do a Memorial Weekend special till tomorrow. I'm going to select the date that I want it to start and end. And then I'm going to put my code. So the code could be, I'm going to put Memorial Day, or I'm going to put Memorial Special. Well, Memorial Day Special. Okay. So this is going to be my special code to give out to people for Memorial Weekend. So Memorial Day Special. I'm going to press continue. And then what I'm going to do is, because I want this 20% off on any item, I'm going to select all my categories. And this is going to ensure that my whole entire store, anytime somebody buys a special, they qualify for that particular special. You could do select the areas if you want. If you don't want to put your whole entire store in sale, you could select, a certain amount of products that you want on sale, and that's it. It's up to you. You could do a single sale on one single item. It just really depends on what you want to do. I'm going to put the whole store. Then I'm going to click on review and confirm. And this is just to review and confirm what you created before you close out the screen. Make sure that you read it. Make sure that everything is set the way that you want it. So I got a coupon for 20% off. No minimum order. It ends tomorrow, the 27th. For all my listings, this is the code Memorial Day Special. And this is the link that they could use to get the special, or this is the code that you would give out to social media or to your email subscribers. And when they buy from your shop and they go to checkout, they will put that code on the special box and they will get the discount applied to their order automatically. There's nothing else that they need to do. But this is how you create a coupon code for your Etsy shop. I think it's a great way it's a great method to do to retarget customers and for special occasions. I do not recommend, if you're a new Etsy seller, to start promoting your products to 20, 30, 40% off when you have not even made a sale yet. You do not want to promote products just because you're new and you think, if I do that, I will get more sales. Keep in mind, you will get sales if you're selling quality items that are unique and beautiful and you're targeting the right customer. You don't necessarily have to discount your products every single time. I just ran my first promotion on this store last week or this week. And then my other stores, I do remarketing more than just offering promos. I rather give a discount to a customer that already purchased from me than just give out customer discounts to everybody and anybody. Because ultimately, you have an Etsy store to make your dreams come true, right? To quit your job and make that into a scalable business that you could do full time from the comfort of your home. If you want to do that, you're not going to be able to do that if you're constantly not worthing your items, putting them for too cheap, or giving too many discounts. So just keep that in mind. Guys, I'm trying to create a sense of community. So if you enjoyed this video, or you enjoy videos like this where I kind of show you little tips on what to do, This is more brief because this is something that anybody could do. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to share this with other Etsy sellers that you think it might be useful for them. You know, there's a button down there you could click, you could share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever platform you prefer. So don't forget to share. And thank you for watching.